TradeStation has been around for 40 long years. That is basically an eternity in the world of financial technology. For the longest time, they were the powerhouse for Windows users only. They left everyone else in the dust. If you were a serious trader who preferred a Mac, you were basically forced to jump through hoops. You had to maintain a dedicated PC just to access their high-end tools. That era finally ended with the release of their latest platform rebuild. It is a complete overhaul. They did not just slap a new interface on top of old code. They built it to run natively across different operating systems. This is a massive relief for anyone tired of laggy workarounds. When you first open it, the change is obvious. They moved to a widget-based workspace. This is huge because it solves that classic problem of blank canvas paralysis. Usually, you open a pro-level platform and just stare at a dark screen. You end up wondering where the charts even are. Now, you can drag and drop tools to build exactly what you need. They even included presets for specific styles like day trading or options. Speaking of options, the redesigned chains are actually quite clever. You can preview complex multi-leg spreads. You can see your entire position context in a single view. You are no longer jumping between 5 different windows just to see if your trade makes sense. The price ladder is another highlight. It is incredibly fast and responsive. That is exactly what futures traders are looking for. However, this shiny new toy comes with a lot of baggage. This is definitely not a playground for beginners. If you are looking for fractional shares or a way to buy some crypto on the side, you will not find it here. They are targeting the heavy hitters. The fee structure reflects that. There is a $10 monthly inactivity fee for smaller accounts that do not trade often. That feels a bit dated in a world of free apps. Then you have the exit costs. If you want to move your money elsewhere, they charge a $125 transfer fee. Even the retirement accounts come with maintenance and closure fees. Most other brokers dropped those years ago. It feels like they are making it personal with your wallet. But the real kicker is the software split. If you are a power user who relies on their famous custom coding language for automation, you are in for a surprise. That entire system still lives on the old legacy desktop app. It hasn't been moved over to the new platform yet. So if you want the modern interface but need your automated strategies, you are stuck running 2 separate programs at once. It is a strange compromise. You get the sleek modern Mac support you always wanted, but you are still to the past. For the active trader doing complex spreads, this is a legitimate upgrade. For everyone else, it might just be the wrong tool for the job. The marketing makes it look like a total replacement, but the truth is a lot more layered. You have to decide if the modern interface is worth the split personality of the software and the old school fee structure. It is a bold move for such an old company, but they still have one foot in the door of the previous era.